Begin by peeling some ginger. The best way to peel ginger is using a spoon, just like so. Then grate 1 teaspoon of ginger into a mixing bowl. Add 2 cloves of garlic, minced, followed by 2/3 of a cup of chicken broth, 3 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and about half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper or to taste. Then whisk to combine. Whisk, whisk, whisk. And once the stir-fry sauce has been combined, set it aside. Then slice 8 ounces of baby bella mushrooms. We are also slicing 1 medium-sized onion. And for the broccoli, we are using 1 pound of broccoli cut into florets. Meanwhile, make some white rice to serve with the chicken broccoli stir fry. As for the chicken, we are using 1.5 pounds of boneless and skinless chicken thighs. You could also use boneless and skinless chicken breast instead. Feel free to remove any excess fat. Then cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Easy peasy. Transfer the chicken pieces to a plate. Season the chicken with a pinch of kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now, set a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Once the skillet is smoking hot, transfer the chicken in. Add the chicken in a single layer and let it cook for about 2 minutes. And after about a couple of minutes, flip the chicken over and let it cook for another 6 to 8 minutes or until the chicken has been cooked all the way through. And once the chicken has been cooked through and has a good sear, remove to a plate. Then in the same skillet, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now transfer the onion, mushrooms, and broccoli florets into the skillet. Stir fry the vegetables for about 3 to 4 minutes or until mushrooms are soft and broccoli is crisp and tender. Once the mushrooms are nice and soft, reduce the heat to medium-low. Give the sauce a quick whisk and pour over the vegetables. Simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the sauce has thickened. Then return the chicken to the pan and ensure that all the chicken pieces are covered in the sauce. Oh, and one more thing. If the sauce is too thick for you, feel free to add a couple of tablespoons of water. By adding the water, you are thinning out the sauce. Continue simmering for another minute or so. At this point, you may taste and adjust and add more soy sauce if you feel like you need it. However, I am not adding any more soy sauce. It tastes delicious, yummy yummy for my tummy. And to finish it off, you may garnish with sesame seeds if you like. It looks like now you are ready to eat. Ooh. There you guys have it. Chicken broccoli stir fry. Quick and easy. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.